Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Placement Way. Today I come up with a new topic, that is what is a distributed system and why it is so powerful, and why are we using distributed system in these days. So if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. So for more informative videos, please subscribe. So let's get into the details. So when it comes to the topic, what is a distributed system? When it comes to the distributed system is a broader concept. So a distributed system is a collection of servers or computers in which they are connected through a network and appear as a single system to the users. So in other words, let's say if we have a particular service, like whether it is through web application or Android application or iOS. So if we distribute our service to multiple servers, then it is called a distributed system. Like instead of dedicating our service only to one server, we are distributing our service to multiple services. That means multiple instances. So that's why it is called distributed system. In distributed system, we have many advantages. The common advantage is scalability. So I'll give you the examples so that you can get full clarity on that. So I'll take different scenarios so that you can get what is distributed system, and also you will get why I mentioned that it is a broader concept. So if we consider redundancy of servers, so let's say if we have only one server, it may lead to single point of failure, right? And also if the user base grows, the load will increase and also the performance will decrease. So instead of having a single server, we'll distribute our service to multiple servers so that the load will be distributed and our service is distributed across these servers, so that in this way we can achieve a distributed system. So the second example is database sharding. If you don't know completely about database sharding, I'll provide you a YouTube link in my description so that you can watch that video. You can get full clarity. I have only told that concept so that you can get full clarity, and we'll be on track. So when it comes to database sharding, instead of having whole data in single server, we'll distribute this data to multiple database servers. So this is called database sharding. So here we can achieve distributed system by distributing our data service to multiple database servers. So in this way we can achieve distributed system. So the next thing is microservice. So if we consider an e-commerce application, we have many things, right? Like account management. The second thing is payment service, and the next thing is product recommendation service, etc., etc., right? So here we are distributing our service to multiple servers, like account, payment, recommendation, to multiple servers, and in this way we are achieving distributed system, and this will improve the performance of the application, and it will serve the user base growth. So in this way, these are the three scenarios that that in this video I took into consideration to explain you the distributed system. So this is about the topic. what is distributed system. So now I will explain the characteristics of distributed system. So when it comes to characteristics, as I explained earlier, instead of dedicating our service to a single server, we are distributing our service to multiple servers, right? So that's why we must have multiple nodes. That is the first and foremost thing. And the next thing is scalability. So if we distribute our service, or uh, if we have more than that means if we distribute, if we have in a system, if we have multiple servers, then automatically scalable, we can achieve the scalability, right? So as I explained earlier, here I explained these three scenarios, right? In these three scenarios, we achieve scalability. So that's why scalability is the common thing and common characteristic of distributed system. And next thing is, by this scalability, we can achieve better performance uh, automatically. And the next thing is availability. So when it comes to availability, we can achieve in some aspects, like previously I explained about this redundancy, right? So redundancy of servers. So here we can achieve the availability, like instead of having only single server, we are distributing our service to multiple servers. So even though if one server goes down, the other two servers will be live, right? So in this way, all the requests that are coming to this server will be redirected to these servers. So in this way, we can also achieve availability. And the next thing is single point of failure. So in the previous example, I already explained about this single point of failure. Like instead of having only one server, if we have only one server, this will lead to single point of failure. So that's why if we have more than one server, then we can automatically achieve, that means we can automatically prevent our system from single point of failure. So these are the characteristics of distributed system. So this is about the topic distributed system. So that's it, guys. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe. So thank you. Bye bye.